Hi, I'm Zafran. Today I'm going to show you how to 3D print a cat. It looks good, it's simple, doesn't take long, and most importantly, it's helpful. First, we need to find our 3D model. You can go to websites like what I'm using, MakerWorld, Printables, Coats 3D, and many more. Then, simply search up cats on the search bar. Many will show up, like this one, and my favorite, this one. Now, let's pick this one. As you can see, this is the files. You can get the settings like this. This is the settings, yeah. The time over here. And this one is so long because some printers have more than one colors, so more longer. Then we click on download 3MF, just right here. Now open your slicer app. I'm using Creality Print 5, or you can use Cura or anything else. Now you need to import your model. This is my file. Just double click and wait. Done. As simple as that. You can choose how good your quality is by going here. There are lots and lots of things you can edit. This is the strength. Walls are like how thick your outer walls are, and you can also edit lots and lots in here. And don't forget to enable your supports if you need it. Then send your file to an SD card or directly send it to your printer. To print this cat, it will take 100 minutes, or about 1 hour and 41 minutes to be exact. %72 is done. About 28 more percent, which is exactly 24 more minutes. The print is now complete. It took exactly 1 hour and 42 minutes. Now we're going to take off the supports. This is the final results. As you can see, the eyes are not colored in. You can paint it with any color you want. Also the ears, you can also paint the ears. It looks very cute. It has a knit design. That's why I like it. And it doesn't take that long. And you don't even have to do anything. I love 3D printing.